I'm showing you 3 different cranberry sauce recipes, and all you have to do is decide which one you want to make. Cranberry sauce is so simple to make at home and tastes way better than store-bought. For my classic version, we're making the best homemade cranberry sauce from EatingWell, which goes from stove to table in just 20 minutes. In a medium saucepan, I'm combining cranberries, water, sugar, a pinch of salt, and 2 orange peels. I'll bring that to a boil. We've reached a boil, so now I'll reduce the heat to a simmer and stir it pretty often for about 10 to 12 minutes until I see all the cranberries burst. This sauce is really well balanced between the tart cranberries, the little bit of sweetness, and the zest from the orange peel. It is no frills, everything you love about cranberry sauce. And only 5 ingredients, who doesn't love that? Looking great, now it's time to remove my orange peels. With all these sauces, don't worry if it looks too thin on the stove. The juices from the cranberry will thicken up as the sauce sits. This can be served room temperature or chilled. And I'll just top with a little bit of orange zest. It's good to go. Now let's say you're short on time, because aren't you always on Thanksgiving? Enter this cranberry sauce from Allrecipes. It has to be the absolute easiest and quickest cranberry sauce out there. We're gonna start by heating orange juice and sugar until totally dissolved. Now I'll stir in the cranberries and keep cooking for about 10 minutes until they start to pop. Once they burst, just remove from the heat and transfer to a bowl. Again, this will thicken up a lot more as it sits. And that's it. This is the kind of recipe that's so easy you can memorize it, and everyone at the table will be happy. Now for a show-stopping cranberry sauce from none other than Martha Stewart. This chunky apple cranberry sauce has wow-worthy flavor. If you go all out on one dish this year, make it this one. In a medium saucepan, I'm combining onion, sugar, and dry red wine, and bring this all to a boil over medium-high heat. Now I'll cover it and reduce to medium for 4 minutes. I mean, if you're gonna cook with wine, right? Now in go the cranberries, apple cider vinegar, chopped Granny Smith apple, freshly grated ginger, ground mace, curry powder, and the juice and zest of 1 orange. Now we stir and keep cooking for another 8-ish minutes until all the cranberries have popped. You'll get the gist of this by now. The flavors are incredible, and it looks really impressive without being a lot of effort. The smell of the sauce is completely different. You get the sour apple paired with the sweet onion, and it smells so complex. And you don't think it'll all come together, but it sure does. Once they've burst, remove it from the heat, and now you can stir in dried currants or raisins if you need a substitution. And your showstopper is finished. Time to try. I could really use a turkey sandwich right now, but a spoon will have to do. Here's my traditional. I had no idea an orange rind could contribute that much flavor. Winner, delicious, quick and easy from Allrecipes. The orange juice offers so much sweetness, but you still get a lot of the tart from cranberries. Easy crowd pleaser right here. Sweet, citrusy, everybody would love this. And our showstopper from Martha Stewart. Wow, such complex flavors, but also a lot of good texture from the apples, the onions, the currants. That is anything but one note. I mean, that's the star of the show right there. So this goes to show whether you want to spend 10 minutes on it or a little longer, any of these 3 takes on cranberry sauce will wow your guests. For all the Thanksgiving inspiration you could ever need, plus a little holiday fun, subscribe to Allrecipes on YouTube and look out for more sideshow episodes coming soon.